Hi, Ines. I took the original painting video and slowed it down so you could see how I was doing this here. Now, I first put in the outline of where I want my gardenias to go. I'm using Payne's Gray. And then I did the background in like a very, very light gray. That was Payne's Gray mixed with white and a little silver. And then the foliage comes next, and it's kind of a bright green. I think I'm using sap green here. And gardenias are similar to roses, but they open in a spiral motion instead of a full-on circle. So when I came to do the gardenias, I did the background a little bit of them with some mixed colors, just so it's not white, and then I used a palette knife in a spiral angle to show how they open. So I hope this shows you a little bit more clearly how I did it. This was filmed in time lapse, so I slowed it down all the way so that you could see it exactly how I did it. I mean, it's not really clear, but it's the best I could do. I didn't post the video as an instructional or tutorial type video. It was just to watch as I painted, but I didn't realize people were looking for instruction. So I'll try and do some more slow ones in the future. I hope you enjoyed this and it's a little more clear now. And I thank you so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate it. And, thank you. Thanks for your comments. I enjoy seeing them. There you go.